In this video, I'm going to build a Supra that can finish a 1/4 mile track in just 6 seconds. Without further ado, let's jump straight into the video.
Enjoy the video.
First, I'm going to buy the car. I'll pick the one with as written on it. If I'm not mistaken, it should be around here. Where is it? Oh, here it is. The next step, I'm going to buy and name this car. I'll name it Supra Bapak. Turns out it's too long. Alright, I'll just name it Supra Bopper. The first step is to swap the engine with an LT5. Next, I'll follow up with some other spare parts. It seems like I don't have a red disc brake yet. To keep the video from getting too long and making you bored, I'll speed it up to 2x. And this is the final part for the speed. Next, I'm going to modify this car. Just something simple. I don't have as many parts as others, so I'll just use what I have. Next, I'll adjust the shock height and reconfigure the gearbox. I'll speed up the video until I find the right settings. I think this gearbox setting is just right. You can screenshot it. It's time to test the car. I'll try it first on a 1 mile track, then move to a 1/2 mile. This car managed to finish it in 18.909 seconds. Now it's time to try it on the 1/2 mile track. Great start. Wow, I didn't expect 10.773 seconds to be my best time. Sorry, guys, I forgot to try the 1/4 mile while recording, but I tested it while editing the video, and I got around 6 seconds. I don't know why, but I ended up heading straight to the diner. I'm really sorry. You can see right there, this car has 3,528 horsepower. Oh right, I think I forgot to change the car seats, but oh well. And this is the end of my video. Thank you for watching until the end. If you have any feedback, feel free to leave a comment below. That's all. Thank you.